BX23s, we now have a power switch here to be able to activate the diverter valve located on the loader. And by depressing the button on the joystick, I can control just the function of the diverter valve separate from the bucket valve. The diverter valve is located underneath this plate here with my two hydraulic lines coming out. I would have liked had Kubota decided to go with the same flat face couplers that are located on all of the lines that are hooked together on the one big valve section. You can see here on my Landpride Grapple that I have two female ends, and I've color coordinated it by putting a zip tie on here just to make it easy. When I put them together, I always have them exactly the same. On the Landpride Grapple SCG0554, the 54-inch grapple that's set up for skid steer quick attach, it does not come with any legs to stand it up. So there's no very convenient way to have this standing on its own. So when I have it out and off of my loader, I leave it slightly in this open position and set it down just so that it's tilted forward enough that it will stand up on its own, where if anyone were to touch it, it won't fall over. But you also need to be able to still get your loader in and out of it to be able to hook it up. Before turning off the tractor, actuate the diverter valve and relieve the pressure in it in both directions before you turn the tractor off, so that there's no pressure in these lines. They're very difficult to insert if there is pressure.